Hello friends, how have you all been? Welcome to a new vlog, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing an interactive session that was done by Arunima Nandi from the Circle community, and it was an interview regarding my art form, my art journey, and all the things that have inspired me till date to do these kind of artworks. So I hope I'm going to be sharing the full interactive session. It's a long video, I know you, but I would ask you all who are art lovers to just go through it. There is details about my artworks, my drawings. I have shared a few of them, and also I have given details about what has inspired me, what kind of things I use in my artworks, and also the artists who have inspired. The biggest inspiration is God Himself here. God. Exactly. For me, He is the ultimate inspiration. But every details is given there. So whoever is pursuing art or are interested in it, please go through the interview and I hope you will be enlightened with it. If you have any questions regarding it, comment in the comment section. And I will be eagerly waiting for your comments, for your likes and your subscription. So please do give a like and subscribe to the channel if you like the interview. And if you have any questions, please feel free to do it. I'll be overwhelmed to help you all. Thank you, and let's start the interactive session.
Good evening, everyone. This is Arunima Nandi from the Circle community, and today I'm going to host this live session, and we are going to have a fun and interactive session with our very renowned artist Indrani Daftari. A very good evening. Hi.
Good evening. Hi.
It's so great to have you here.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Yes. So you are today here with your artwork, as you said.
Yes.
So first, would you like to enlighten us with your journey, with your artistic journey?
Well, artistic journey, as in I just, like every child, we start at our young age, like our childhood. So school was the very first thing where art started, and slowly the journey went on, and now today I'm here. But in between, there was
Okay.
a time period when I stopped everything, busy with other things in life, so studies, then work, and all. But then again, I
Okay.
started, and it was like a gap of almost 8 years. So after that, I again started, and now it's going.
Okay, that's really great. And how has lockdown treated you? Like, how has the pandemic
Yeah,
been your life?
pandemic was a blessing, in fact, because though it was a curse for people, but being at home and working with all these things, my society children used to come over, giving them classes and all. That was a good. It was a blessing for me because I could go on with the journey. My art
Okay.
flourished, in fact, in that. So sitting and doing was the main thing.
Also, as you have mentioned, you have even written a book recently. So, would you like to tell us about it? Also, what does the title
Okay.
mean, The Beautiful Mess?
The beautiful mess, here it is. If you can see this, the book. This book actually, this has 40 artworks of mine. So whatever artworks I have done till date, those are in this book. And it is a compilation of all my arts, the arts that are very close to me. So, and the meaning of the book, well, mess, we all know what mess is. And when we splash colors and waters and all, mess is created. So from that mess, bringing into something beautiful, that is what I meant by a beautiful mess. From mess also we can create beauty. So that is it. Like,
Yes.
so that is the main aim of it.
The idea behind it is actually lovely. And
Thank you so much.
And is there any approach towards your artistic style, or is it a mixed approach?
It's
Like,
actually
do
a
you
mixed
have a
approach.
style of your
Yeah,
own?
I don't have any style. Actually, style as in we all have a different style. No one is same. No one is equal. But okay. Yeah, if you could just repeat your question.
Yeah, so I was saying whether you had your own style or you follow a particular style or not.
Style, yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. I'm sorry, I made you repeat. Style, we all have styles, and everyone is unique. So every artwork is also unique. So even if I say that I have my own style, in spite of that, I cannot say that it is same in everything. Like when I do a portrait, it depends. It varies. Some portraits are where I make a smiley face. Some portraits are where I make the eye look differently. Some portraits are where I totally change and I make it like the emotions or the expressions, they say a lot. So I try to take out the emotions, the expressions from them so that people can reflect it in their own way. When you are seeing a portrait, might be I have made it, but when you are seeing it, you can have your own way of saying.
definitely. Also, who all artists have been your inspiration?
My inspiration is God, the biggest artist I feel. Because he has created nature, and I basically deal with nature and human expressions, human portraits. So humans are made by God, and the nature, the beauty of nature is also God's own creation. So God is my biggest inspiration, his nature, and the my parents, my father was a textile designer as well as he was a prominent photographer in a Bengali
Oh,
newspaper. So
okay.
he was there, and my mother she does embroideries. So they are inspirations, and now also my husband's photography. He's a brilliant photographer. So because of that, I get more inspirations, and these are it. And of course, there are others like. We always, whenever we go through Instagram or whenever we go through any profile, anything, we see images, we see portraits, we see nature's everything. So these are, I don't feel like taking, like, we all take inspirations from others. But I don't feel ki, I see a drawing or I see a painting and then I go according to that. The nature itself is has so vast, it's so vast and everything is so beautiful in it that you don't require any other artist to inspire you to draw or to paint or to do anything. And every person, when I go to portraits, every person is different. Their expression, their facial what I would say, the the face itself,
Definitely.
everything, the
Yes,
eyes, the nose, the lips, the ears, everything is different in every human being. So that itself is a vast. So you don't need anywhere else. You don't need to look for others.
definitely, definitely.
That
So
itself
it
is,
seems
I
that you
feel.
have, so it seems you have art in your blood and you have inherited it.
Thank you so much. I don't know about that, but yes, from my parents I have, and now my husband, he also inspires. You can see a talented
Amazing.
family.
Definitely. An artistic and a talented family.
Thank you so
And
much.
so I want to know, like, what compelled you to write this book? Like, how did this idea of writing a book came into your mind? Even though it's an
See,
art book
it's
related to art.
yes, it's an art book, and every author or every artist. I mean, an artist can be a person who sings, dances, or somebody who is writing a book. Everybody is an artist in their own way. So everybody, all the artists wants to make their dream come true, and a dream is like to go to the audience, to be a person in that crowd where people will recognize me. So when you want to get recognized, you feel like doing something which will make you come out in that crowd. So
Definitely.
book was the only one which I thought was a way I can come out in that crowd, be one in that crowd. So that was something. So we just checked it. Let's see, and it clicked.
Yeah. Okay. And from your Instagram profile, it seems that you are into experimenting with a lot of delicacies, of Bengali delicacies and sweets, I can see, desserts. So please tell us about this hobby of yours. It seems you love
Uh,
cooking.
I am a foodie. So when you love to eat,
Okay.
you will have to cook and you will love to cook, in fact. So, and we stay in Goa. So staying in Goa away from Calcutta is like a curse because we are all sweet lovers. So either you make it and have it, or else you have to go to Calcutta or West Bengal and have it. So it's better to make it because every time you don't have an opportunity to go to West Bengal or to get things from there. So make it at home, have it fresh, and like
Definitely.
every child, we are inspired by our parents. Like mom cooking, and we are learning from them. So after my marriage, I actually learned cooking properly. Now the sweets that you're talking about, that is totally from my friend Shohini. She has her YouTube channel
Okay.
also. So she is the one who is behind this. So I totally learned it from her, nowhere else.
Amazing. And you said that you are going to bring an art form, artwork today in the live session.
Yeah,
So would
sure.
you like to show it to
Sure.
us?
I'll show you something that I did latest.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. Well, you can see artworks behind me also. If I just turn the camera,
Yeah, yeah. I
you
was
can
going to
see
say that please
artworks.
show us.
Can you see the
Yeah,
artworks
they're
there?
beautiful.
It's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
mini gallery. It's a mini gallery that I've made in my house, and these are not all. These are just a few of them.
Okay.
This is a horse that I've made. If you can see this,
Yes, yes. It's beautiful.
these are
What's the
portraits.
medium?
This is pencil colors.
Okay.
This is another one. This is my pet.
So adorable. This this is
Thank you
also
so
pencil
much.
colors.
Yes, this is also pencil colors. And my latest portrait I have done, it's just I finished yesterday itself. This one, if you can see that.
I saw it on
It's
Instagram. It's
this is just an
actually
experiment that I
amazing.
did. This is just an experiment that I did with the honey dripping and all. So these actually the portraits I take from my Instagram or Pinterest, and but the theme or what I want to do with that portrait, what I want to implement from myself, that I take the idea from my own self. So it's not that somebody else gives me that idea or somewhere else I get the idea. It's my own way that I do it. Like you can see this one.
Yes.
Can you see this? This is a
Beautiful.
Buddha and
Buddha
the
monk is
monk
praying. Yeah.
praying.
Also
Then
pencil colors, right?
no, that is acrylic. I basically do with
Okay.
acrylics and pencil colors.
Huh?
Charcoal and
Okay.
charcoal is another favorite of mine. Whenever I am, uh, this was my first pencil color, in fact.
Wow. Okay. So we have a question from the audience that which
Yeah,
pencil
sure.
colors do you use?
Well, I use domes and Faber-Castell
Okay.
because the
Okay.
pigmentation matters a lot. So anyone will not do. So, and this one was actually inspired. This one was from Akiana's. She drew Jesus. So this is from there.
Okay.
This is, I would say, yes, I copied hers. I tried to, in fact, but it's not possible to
So she
copy.
inspired you, yeah.
She inspired
Ha
me.
ha, definitely.
And
Definitely. Everybody has their own
now,
style.
now what I feel is I don't want to go into the same type of drawings, and it's time to experiment. And whatever you think it's difficult for you should try to do that.
Amazing.
So these are a few works that I
Amazing.
do, and these are there in the artwork in my book also. These pictures are there.
Oh,
So if anyone is interested, they can of course buy it.
yeah.
So this was the one which I wanted to do because of her hair and her eyes. So these I do in A3 size paper, and portraits basically, if we do, I mean, charcoal's A3 size paper, it gives me a vast exposure actually, and
Yes.
color pencils, or we can use it in A3 also, but the paper quality matters as well as the pencil quality, the pigmentation matters, because then only we can
Yes.
give that effect. Because when we are blending, when pencil colors can be blended together, which I actually never had the idea that pencil colors can also be blended with each other. But now, once I went through pencil color work, I can understand that it can be blended. Like in this one, which I did, this one you can see it is like basically it is white, but the golden color, the white color, the brown color, it needs to be blended. Otherwise, then only you will get that effect, the fur effect, or the somewhere where there's shading, somewhere where there is light. You have to put them properly. Then only the person in front of you can understand what I want to express. The
Definitely.
eyes matter a lot.
Yes.
Like in this one, there are blending, yet you have to show the
Yes.
fur. So somewhere
Yes.
where there is light, somewhere where there is darkness, there you have to blend, but you have to show their original color also. So the pigment matters, and that's why I think Indian domes is the best, and then I would go for Faber Castell. Prisma is
Okay.
also there, but everyone cannot afford Prisma, so I think Faber
And
Castell
for
is
acrylics,
acrylics. Camelin.
camel. Okay. Okay.
Camlin. That's the best. I mean,
Okay.
we have many options. We have many things nowadays. Before, when we were born or in our childhood, we had only one or two. But at that time, Camlin, Camel, these were Faber Castell, these were it. But now, even in acrylics, you say, or in these pencil colors, there is a variety. Like you get almost 70 to 85, these many colors. So you can do anything with that. Like in soft pastels also, like soft pastels, we knew the chalk and soft pastels, they were only 5 to 6 colors maximum when we were kids. But now we see that there are so many, there are varieties that you can get lost in them. So
Yes. So many
we can
shades
just,
and
exactly.
yes.
And one color has thousands of shades, which we don't need to make like in our childhood, or even now while doing, we make colors. We blend with each other and we make the color.
Yes.
But when we go to the shop or when we want to buy a particular color, we can get that color. We don't need to mix in this, like standing today in this
Yes.
century, we don't need to mix the colors. We can buy them and we can just do it.
Definitely. And thank you. You have actually enlightened me and the audience with so much of, I mean, actually, they are so knowledgeable. And yes, so
I'm
are
not
we
so much
expecting?
knowledgeable. Yes.
Yeah, I was alien to it, so yes.
Actually, we all are alien to
And
it unless and until we start exposing ourselves and we think we want to do more, we want to learn more. Like few years ago also, I was just sitting, I was like, okay, I will do, but now I'm not interested. But when I started, it just happened. And this pencil colors, I was always afraid. I was in Instagram nowadays, we see so many videos, so many people are showing how to blend them, how to do them. I just saw and I felt if it is possible for someone else to do that, why can't I do it? So let's try, give it a shot. So I
yes,
just went to the shop, got a small box of 8 to 12 colors, and just started off. And then when I understood that yes, I can do it, I went for a bigger set. So mix and match, and
And
it's done.
yeah, yeah, definitely. And after a break of so long, how did you start this journey again, this artistic journey again?
Actually, there was my mom used to tell me a lot. You should start. It's enough. Why are you sitting down and start something? And mostly, my husband's photography was inspiring me. I should do something. And the kids in my society were after me. Ki, please, auntie, you start teaching us. We want to learn. So their
Oh,
pressure,
okay.
everybody coming, my friends used to tell me, please start. And actually, I used to do my artworks, but I used to never post them on social media or send it to
Okay.
my friends or anybody. Nowhere I used to show them. So one day when they came to know, they started pushing me and like, you should do it, you should do it. So from there it started. And when it started, it
Definitely.
could not stop. So I just went on, carried on with it. And today I'm standing here.
Hmm.
So it's like from the last 3 years, 2018, I started in fact. 2018, after pujas or the Diwali time. I started off from there and today I'm standing here.
Okay, so it's a blessing for all of us. We are getting to see such amazing portraits of yours.
Thank you so much.
And your message to the young artists or somebody who's going through a creative blockage.
Creative blockage, like I wouldn't say that I went through a blockage. I had stopped myself. I mean, I had stopped myself as in I had a few more problems because of which I was not willing to do it. I felt ki I would destroy my art. I cannot do it the way I want to. So I just stopped it. And then when I felt ki yes, now I can start doing it. Whenever you feel that I can do things, just start. And but it's not good to stop. So I wouldn't prefer anybody stopping in midway or going for a blockage. But everything is in the mind. So
Yeah, yeah.
once you think ki I cannot do it, I think we still should go for it. We can scribble, we can do anything, but we should not stop because we lose that. The break means a lot. Might be I would have been able to grow a bit more, which I've not grown in the last 8 years or 10 years. So I feel that nobody should stop. If you think you should need a break or you want a break, take a break for a month, take a break for a year, maximum for 2 months. But then at least start scribbling. You will do something or the other. Like with these pencil colors, I had started scribbling. I was just scribbling with pen. Like now we can see pen portraits very famous. People are doing them,
Yes,
but
yes,
I am afraid of
yes,
doing it because I don't know how to do it. So I have to make myself understand. I have to make myself learn how to do it by. I am a self-taught artist. I did not take training from anybody. But now people are
oh, great.
like in Instagram. I am myself doing reels. I am myself doing videos as well as the others who are doing them. From them, we have a lot to learn. So
Yes,
like anything, we can learn anything and everything. I think this social media is a big exposure right now. We need teachers,
yes,
but it's not that everybody gets
obviously.
teachers, but we can be our own teacher also. Like I have learned through myself. I have seen people, I have seen them just because everything is fast. Whenever, even if I
Yes,
upload my videos, they are in a fast forward motion. So you cannot understand
yes,
exactly where, what color is being added, what to do, where to do. But that you have to work with your own brains and just go on. A scribbling can be, a mess can be beautiful always. So
yeah,
just
definitely.
let go.
So
Let
that
go with
gave
the
you the
mess.
inspiration for your book.
Just, yes. So whenever you want to create
And so,
something beautiful, go for a mess. A mess will create beauty.
definitely, what a great message. And so, again, we have a question from the audience. How do you
Yes,
manage to
yeah.
sustain your creativity even with the daily chores? So, do you have a certain time period that you sit at this particular time of the day for your paintings?
Well, household works are there. We have other works also which we need to complete, and then only. So I keep one time for myself, that is in the afternoon. I have online
Okay.
classes. I have my kids who is coming over, whom I teach in the society. I don't take outside kids because of this pandemic and all. So inside the society, I take the kids, and online classes are also there. So even with these,
Okay.
I have to find at least some time for myself, because unless and until I learn, I cannot help them grow. So
Hmm.
maximum 2 hours to 3 hours I can get in a day. So in that,
Oh,
this is what I do.
okay.
Cooking is
Great,
also
great
there.
then.
Whenever you said the passion about cooking and sweets and all, that is also in that time only. So I have to.
Okay.
So either I cook or else I do these. So I do these,
Okay.
basically. Mostly I do these, but the paintings, the sketching. But in a week, at least once, I make something which will relax me also. Like Shohini said, uh, Shohini was the one who brought me into this cooking. So
Okay. I hope she's watching the live with
yeah,
us.
she's
I
watching. She
think
just
she
said
is.
something. It's extremely important to keep growing and improving. Yes, she's the one who inspires me a lot. In fact, she is a backbone, I would say.
Great, great to have such friends.
Exactly, I'm
And
blessed. And another one is
so,
Sneha.
hmm.
She is a great artist. In fact, Shohini and
Oh,
Sneha. These are my classmates. So we are school buddies. But now
okay.
we all stay in different states, different countries, in fact. But internet connects us. And through Sneha
Okay.
also I learned a few art, a few. She has her YouTube channel, and from there I see learning. Learning is growing. It's you have to learn every day. Every day is a
Yeah,
learning for you. So just learn
yeah, yeah.
and grow in life.
So I think we have a message from Shohini, your friend.
Yes,
Um,
yes.
about Indrani, what I like most is she is very devoted and dedicated, ready to learn
Thank
from
you.
everywhere and from anything that comes her way. Definitely, definitely.
In
After
fact,
such a great conversation,
I'll show you one of my sketches that I did, which she was the one who told me this same thing that she has written right now. I'll show you if yeah, this one. I had gone to my
it's not.
house.
Oh, wow, wow.
I had,
These are pencil colors.
these are pencil colors. So you can see the full
Great.
thing, sketch.
Yeah.
So this actually I saw when I went to my house this time, Calcutta, say in the month of April. At that time, 15th April, the second wave struck. At that time, I saw this child. This child was just, there was a child, not just this child, there was a child on the footpath, and she was just asking for some food. She did not have any food because of the pandemic. Nobody was giving it because people were not out at that time. She was wearing a mask which was half torn. So I gave her mask, I gave her food, but that was something that was continuously knocking me that I have to do something with it. Might be people are not seeing, or might be I cannot give this to her, or might be this drawing itself doesn't matter to her. But
Yes.
for me, it matters a lot. That the street child doesn't cannot get a mask. Might be somebody has thrown a mask which is destroyed already by that person. That only they pick up and wear it. They feel that yes, I also have a mask, because now they think the mask is a very big thing. But for us, people like us, we think we are taking the mask and it's like we cannot breathe, we cannot speak, we cannot hear the person wearing a mask and speaking, etc., etc. But for them, it is like
Exactly.
the rich people are wearing a mask, and we, the poor, the street people, we cannot wear a mask. That's why I made this torn mask with the paper. Like, if you can see this, the
Yes,
paper,
yes.
it's written. So a notebook
Yeah,
with,
yeah.
from where she tore the paper and she made a mask. And the bowl, it's on her head. I don't get a food, I don't get the water, nothing, and so this is how I'm taking it.
So their
So
perception is a bit different from ours. Yes.
everything matters, and this particular is my favorite.
Amazing.
This is Lord Jagannath. This was
This is
again
wonderful.
inspired
Yes.
by Raghunath Sahu. He is another great
Okay.
artist. Raghunath Sahu, he made this in oil colors, and it was in a bigger
Okay.
canvas. But I just took the picture and I tried how, I don't know how much I have fulfilled or how much I have done, but from whatever I felt, God's blessing is with me that I could do him. I could bring him on my paper. I did portraits. I did portraits of Ma Durga, Ganesh, and I keep doing, but I don't know how much I can keep my keep up to the, or I don't know how much people will tell that I have done justice to it. But at least I try. Whatever comes, whenever I
No,
feel
no,
like,
they
whenever I
are
feel like,
amazing.
thank you so
They are
much.
actually amazing. I went through your Instagram page before, and yes, they are actually mind blowing.
This is another. I did Ma Kali, but this is with the Buddhism look that I
Okay,
gave.
yes, Buddhist inspiration. Yes, yes.
Yes. So the typical drawing that people do or the way they do, I feel sometimes we can change because changes are required. But that doesn't mean that when I'm praying or when I'm thinking of Ma Kali, then I'm thinking of this. But this is the way I also I want to represent it. So whenever I'm praying, that's the Lord that's different. But when on paper, I try to make changes, try to give some touch of something else, which would make it unique. So that's it.
Definitely.
So
That's
just
visible actually.
every day I feel, even when the kids come over my house, they learn. I have lots to learn from them. When I take online classes, even at that time, I have to learn from them because there are things that they can see, they know, but I don't know because they are much more advanced than we were as kids. So now online
Yeah, there's
and
always
all
to
this,
learn. Yes.
in fact, this online classes and all, these were also inspired by Shohini. In fact, I mean, the push behind me recently was her and my husband. My mom was always after me, that was true, but moms are like okay, mom, you're saying, but not so much. Okay, I can keep that aside. But these people, my husband, Shohini, they are like, you can do it. My mom is always there, but they're like, you should do it. In fact, my brother was also after me, but
Okay.
we all are busy in life. So it's at one time we
Yeah.
feel ki, let her do her life, let me be with my own life, and like that we carry on. But pushing me always, my brother's wife, my family has been always very supportive. I miss my father now, but since he was a very good photographer, he was a brilliant photographer, I would say. He had contacts with the sports team like everywhere, Wimbledon, to I mean everywhere in the world he was with sports.
Yes.
So
Okay.
like I like now I feel yeah, I should have not stopped there. If I would have carried on, I could have had an exhibition with my father and me together, sports and my both our creativity. But there is always a chance. In fact, so let's see.
Yeah. Great, great. So it's time to end our live session. It's sad that we are ending it, but then it was such a hearty
We,
conversation with you. And
thank you so much.
yes,
Even I was
thank
very excited about this. Thank you. Thank you
yeah.
for inviting me.
So
It's an honor to be in your show. Thank you so
it's
much.
also an honor for us that such a great artist is coming to the Circle community. And thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay. Good night then.
yeah.
Have a nice time.
Good
Bye
night.
bye. Good
Yeah,
night.
good night.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Some details for the online sessions.